Now let us see next question, that is write the following expressions as log n. Means these together combined we should write in a single log, that is the meaning of log n, and find their values wherever possible. Let us see, after finding that log n, if possibility is there, means if possible we should find the value also. Let us see here. See the question children, first bit, log 2 plus log 5. You do not think that log 2 plus log 5 is equal to log 2 plus 5 7. For example, if you think this as single logarithm, right, and 2 plus 5 I will add directly. So, it is log 2 plus 5 equal to log 7. This is the wrong answer children. Actually, you should not write like this. Then what to do? Let us see here, log A plus log B. Observe here, as the numbers are changing, I am changing the alphabets. Very simple. Here, this is not log A plus B. If it is A plus B, we could have added earlier. It is not A plus B. Then what is this? It is A into B. Observe here children, in logarithm the summation of logarithm can be written as in a single logarithm with their product, means with their multiplication. So, this formula you have to remember, or you just observe, it is very easy, simple. Whenever plus is there, you need to do into, right. Now, here let us write here log 2 means A plus log B means here 5 is B, log A into B, here A means 2, B means 5, it is 2 into 5. Let us write 2 into 5. So, it is log 2 into 5 is log 2 5s are 10. Here till here you see we have expressed this as single logarithm. Now, let us see the continuation question. Find their values, we should find its value wherever possible. First you think whether it is possible or not now. Okay, half of the part is over. Now, we are going for the further one. Now, let us see whether it is possible or not. Here you need to remember one thing children, whenever base is not given, we can take base as 10 for every problem, you remember that. So, here in the formula also you can write as base 10. So, here also it is base 10, here also it is base 10 for every problem. Whatever number comes here, you can take 10 only. So, here I have already discussed with you the formula, that one log A base A, already we learnt it, log A base A, when both the values are equal, it can be written as 1. Here also log 10 base 10, it can be written as 1. So, here let us write the final answer. See here 2 bits are asked, it can be expressed as log n. So, it is log 10, we can write base 10 also, I told you, and its value is 1. So, this is the final answer children. Second bit, log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Here do not write it as log 16 minus 2 14, 2 minus 2 0, that is the wrong procedure. Now, let us see what is the actual thing is to be done. It is log, see these two are different, I am taking log A minus log B, right. Same bases are there, you can write the same base or you can leave it, it is not at all problem children. If at all you want, you can write the base also, it is not at all a problem. So, it is log, whenever subtraction is there, if addition is there, multiplication, if subtraction is there, division. So, it is same base can be written as, same base can be written. So, let us apply this formula here, it is simple, it is log, see A means 16 by B means 2, in these two bases we can write one base like this. So, here also one base. So, let us simplify this one as log 8 base 2. So, we have written the form of log n. So, first part, this is the first part of the problem, and the second one if possible we will simplify this. Let us see here children, let us take log 8 base 2. As we have done the earlier problem, that is log 8 can be written as in powers of 2, it is 2 cube, here 2 power 1. As I have told you earlier, these powers come forward. So, it is 3 by 1, log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 value is 1. 1 get cancel. Here this 3 is the second answer, and here the formula what I used is log a power m base a power n equal to m by n times log a base a, that is 1. So here I can write as m by n, that formula is used here. So here both the answers, children. Log 8 base 2 is the first part and 3 is the second part of this problem. Next one, that is third bit, 3 power 3 into log 4 base 64. It is 3 into log 4 base 64. So it can be written as single logarithm. So let us send this 3 as power. So already we have discussed a formula, children, that is what? Log a power m b power n. Okay. So it can be written as, let us remove this power, no problem. So here this one will come forward. So it is m times log a base b. So these two are same, children, right? Log a power m base b can be written as m times log a base b. Same way here, same way from this side you read the formula. M into log a base b is equal to log, this m moves up, log a power m base b. Based on that formula, here we can write this as log 4 power, this 3 moves there. So log 4 cube base 64. So here log 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. So that is 64. Here base is also 64. So we have converted this one into single logarithm. First part over. Now if you go to the second part, let us continue here only. The second part of the problem is, if possible, we should find the value of log 64 base 64. It is very easy. We have a formula, children, that is log a base a is always 1. So based on that formula, we can write log 64 base 64 also 1. This is the second answer for the same problem. Now let us see next bit, that is fourth bit, 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. So here as usual, let us send this 2 to the power. So it is log, it can be written as 3 square minus this 3 also can be shifted to here. It is log 2 cube. Which formula is applicable here? The formula is, see here, m times log a can be written as log a. This m moves here. It is log a power m. Right. Now here is equal to log 3 square is 9 minus log 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, it is 8. Now again one more formula, children, here, that is we have already discussed log a minus log b can be written as log of a by b, right? Here whenever it is minus, here divided by will come. So division will come there. So it is log, here a means 9 by b means 8. Is it clear, children? So here you see it is changed in the form of log n. Now find their value wherever possible. For example, here base, if we are able to write base as 9 by 8, then we can say its value is 1. But I have told you, children, whenever no base is there, if at all base is not given, we should take only 10. We should not take the value, whatever value we want, we should not take it. So we should take only 10. If no base is given, we are supposed to take only 10. So it is, you see here, these two values are not equal, and that too 10 cannot be written as its power. Same way 9 by 8 also cannot be expressed, its power cannot be expressed as 10 or 10 power, nothing is 9 by 8. I repeat, 10 power nothing is 9 by 8, 9 by 8 power nothing is 10. So here this problem cannot be solved further. So here this is only the answer, because here we are able to solve up to log n only. Clear? Now let us see next bit, that is fifth bit, log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. So here let us write log 10 as it is, plus, as I have told you, this can be taken as power. So here it is log 3 square. Log 3 square I am writing directly, children. it is log 9. Hope you understand. It is square will 2 will be going there, it is 3 square. So, 3 square is 9 minus log 2, right. So, I would like to apply here formula. As you are remembered, there is a rule BODMAS. In that, whenever addition subtraction comes, we should give preference for addition, children. After completion of addition, then only we should do subtraction. So, let us take this part of this problem because it has addition, right, and it is in the formula log A plus log B, log A plus log B. I have told you already what is the formula of log A plus log B. It is log AB. We can say log A into B also. So, let us apply that formula here. It is log A into B. So, 10 into 9. 10 into 9 is 9 10s are 90, right, minus this log 2. Now, again you observe here, children, log A minus log B. It is log A minus log B. We have formula for that also. Log A minus log B can be written as log A by B, right. So, we apply this formula here. So, it is log A means 90 by B means by 2. So, 90 by 2 is 45. So, it is log 45. So, first part is over, and here as usual find their values whenever it is possible. See here, everything, if nothing is there, I told you we can write it as power 10. So, again 45 can't be expressed as 10 power something. 10 it cannot be expressed as 45 power something. So, for this problem, this is the last step. Now, let us see next question, that is question number 3. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. If it is given that x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. Here it is very simple, children. Convert this problem in terms of log 3 and log 5. In simple words I am saying, convert 15 in terms of 3 and 5. Just think, simple, 15 is equal to 3 into 5, isn't it? So, we can use it directly. So, I am writing this log 15 as log 3 into 5 base 2. As we know the formula, log A into B can be written as log A plus log B. So, it can be written as log 3 plus log 5. Same base can be splitted. So, here log 3 base 2 is nothing but x plus log 5 base 2 is nothing but y. Therefore, here log 15 base 2, therefore, log 15 base 2 can be written as, in terms of x and y, it is x plus y. This is the final answer for this bit. Let us see next bit, that is second bit, log 7.5 base 2. So, here let us rewrite log 7.5 as 75 by 10 base 2 as it is. See here, after this decimal, if one digit is there, it can be multiplied with 10. If suppose two numbers are there, it can be divided with 100. So, like that 7.5 can be written as 75 by 10, right. Now, here let us do cancellation. Here with 5 we cancel, it is 5 15s are and 5 2s are. So, it can be written as log 15 by 2 base 2, right. Here is the formula, it is log A by B, it is log A by B. So, I am writing this as log A minus log B. Here same base I am giving for both. Here the formula what I applied is log A by B can be written as log A minus log B, right. Now, here 15 same bit you observe, children, same, this is the first bit earlier we have done. Of course, we can do here also, but here orally I am saying that one, right. So, 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So, that can be splitted as log 3 plus log 5 with the formula log a into b. See here I am showing 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So, it is log 3 into 5 can be written as log 3 plus log 5. So, let us give the same base, right. So, here minus log 2 base 2 I am writing for the time as it is. Now, let us conclude the problem here. See here children, log 3 base 2, hope you are able to see, log 3 base 2 is nothing but x. So, for your convenience I am writing this step here children. It is log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. See from the question you see log 3 base 2 can be replaced with x. So, it is x plus this is y, and as I have told you already log a base is always 1. So, log 2 base 2 is always 1. So, this is the final answer for this bit. Now, let us see next bit, that is third bit, log 60 base 2. So, here this 60 can be expressed as in terms of 3 and 5. So, let us try this one, consider 60 here. So, this one let us divide with 3, it is 3 20s are. Now, with 5 4s are. Again here this number it can't be divided with 3 or 5. So, we can write with 2. So, it is 2 2s are. Finally, 60 can be written as 2 into 2 means 2 square into 3 into 5, right. So, let us write this problem as log, see 2 square into 3 into 5 base 2. You just observe here children, 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60 only. So, now here it is log a b c. So, we can split that one as log a means log 2 square, here it is into means plus comes, plus log b means log 3 plus log c means log 5. So, here right. So, now here base 2 is there. So, I am writing for every value 2 itself. So, this 2 comes forward, this 2 comes forward 2 times log 2 base 2 plus this value is nothing but x, this value is nothing but y. So, already you know log 2 base 2 is 1. So, 2 1s are 2 plus x plus y. This is the final answer for this question. Now, let us do next bit, that is fourth bit, log 6750 base 2. So, here let us consider 6750, let us divide with 2. First let us take 2 because your ending number is 0, it is an even number, it is an even number. So, we can try with 2. So, here you see 2 3s are 6, here 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 2 5s are. Now, as it is ending with 5, by the divisibility rule we can divide this one with 5, 5 6s are here 30, so 37, 5 7s are here 25, 5 5s are, right. Again let us try with 5. So, it is 5 13s are 65, so 5 5s are, again with 5, right. So, it is 5 2s are 5 7s are. Now, 3 comes, it is 3 9s are, again with 3 3s are. So, here I am writing log 6750 as, see 2 into 3, 1 2 3, 3 is there 3 times. So, I am writing 3 power 3 into 5, let us count 1 2 3. So, 3 times 5 is there. So, we can write 5 cube. Is it clear? So, base 2 we write as it is. Now, here let us split this logarithm for each term. So, it becomes log 2 into becomes plus log 3 cube, again into becomes plus log 5 cube. See, same base can be given for all, right. As you know children, log 2 base 2 is always 1 plus this 3 comes forward. So it is 3 times log 3 base 2. Log 3 base nothing but x. So we can write as 3x plus here 3 comes forward. It is 3 log 5 base 2. Here 3 comes forward. So 3 is not there. So log 5 base 2. It is nothing but y. So here 3 times y. Here 3. This is y. So final answer for this bit is 1 plus 3x plus 3y.